Lily is starting to recognize things. So I want the brush to brush my hair. And normally I put it in the upper position of the wardrobe just so that it's out of reach from her and her brother. So I'm like, Lily, where is the brush? Go and fetch me. Go and fetch the brush, ne? Does she not look into the direction of the brush? Does she not point? But okay, Lily, what is the problem? What is the problem? She is learning. Was that a headbutt? Hi, Gerald. That was a headbutt. My hair is a mess. I don't know what she's trying to do. I don't know. I don't know what she's trying to do. But whatever it is, she needs to stop. You need to stop, baby girl. Stop. Mwah. And she has a bit of a fever. Why do you have the fever, baby girl? Why? Oh. Oh, what are you doing? Tata. Tata. Say hello. Hello. We need to clean you up, baby girl. You need to clean. So we just woke up not long ago. She already ate. This one. She already ate. And the other kids, Emmanuel has not eaten yet. So we need to make breakfast for Emmanuel. And I am so lazy this morning. Uh I okay. I feel somehow though. And I'm trying to think, what the hell am I supposed to be doing today? And I'm like coming up short, you know. And I just remembered something yesterday. Crazy, right? So growing up, I used to read books. I started very young, and it was a hobby. I loved doing it. It was something that gave me peace, something that allowed me to like isolate from people. I'm not a pet, people's person. I'm not that type of person who likes to be in a crowd. I do have friends, but there's just time for that, right? So writing used to give me that escape road. It used to be something that I loved doing. Over the years, I don't know what happened. I discarded it. I don't know. I think it happened unintentionally. And then the next thing you know, um, I'm no longer writing. The last time I wrote something, it was less than a page. And I think this was back in 2020, 2022, somewhere there. It was before my son was even born. My son is about to be 4 years this year. So I haven't written anything in 4 years. But before then, I would write a book consisting of 72 pages. Tell me why now I'm not writing anything. I I have no excuse. Like, I've really let something that I used to enjoy, something that used to give me so much peace, something that used to make my mind be so productive, um go. How does that even happen? Like, of all the things that I'm very much good at, it Gerald, okay, I'm South African, guys. I'm South African. So I'm South African. I stay in Limpopo, right? The only thing that happened over the last few days, 2 weeks, or since this year began, was floods. It was flooding at this side. It was flooding very badly. Like people lost lives, and we also lost some of our vegetations. Our farm, like the river, how overflowed to our farm. If you've seen my content down by the river, where I used to wash, we used to have our vegetation, the spinach, mustard, and whatnot. Um, so it like the river overflowed. Even our corn was swept away. Even our pumpkins swept away. Everything pretty much was swept away. Oh, and my favorite peri peris, they were also swept away. So I've never seen snow in this province, in this area, ever since I've been alive. And I've been here for as long as I've been alive. There's never been snow. So no, but I did see in the news. I'm very much up to date with the news. I did see that I think parts of America, I'm not sure. I think that side is where it's snowing badly. Like the temperatures are pretty bad. So I'm just gonna take my guess and say maybe Gerald is from that side of the continent. I'm not sure. And if I'm making speculations, sorry. The side I've never seen snow. The only thing I've seen is rain. Too much of it. Only now that we are able, like it's a bit sunny outside. I think it's 32 degrees, but it's cloudy today. Yeah. So we are blessed inside. Really? Huh. Oh, so back to that. Anyways, I don't know, guys. So I'm thinking of going back to writing. I used to enjoy it so much. And you know what? What's the worst thing about it is I'm good at writing, but most of the time, for if I'm doing something like normally I used to write assignments for students and whatnot. So I will consult the AI, those AI apps. And then when didn't give me the answer that I wanted, I just go like, no, I'm just gonna use my mind. I'm letting a brilliant mind go to waste. I know my mind is brilliant, but I have never run out of jokes. Anything can be a joke with a little twist. You can make anything work. I think Lily wants to sleep. I don't know. I think she wants to sleep. She woke up way too early. Lily, where's your baby? Let's take Gracie. Oh, come here, Gracie. Come here to mommy. I am trying to take. Hello. Say hello, Gracie. Hello. Hello. Gracie, Lily. Gracie. Gracie. Oh. Gracie. This is one of Emmanuel's cars, guys. To have kids is to want to see. If you want to see things that you thought were not possible and then they are possible, have kids. This is one of Emmanuel's car. If I show you the other ones, the state they're in, like what the hell? Mama. Mama. This one no longer has tires. Like they were removed. I don't know for what reason, but the tires were removed. Now that my tripod is broken, we are going to have endless of problems. Who's there? Lily. What did that knock? Say, who's there? So now my tripod is broken, eh? So I'm just propping up my camera. My camera is propped on a juice bottle. No, 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 no. Gerald. Yo, Lily wants to come for the bottle. I'm fighting with her right now as we speak. Like, I'm tired of holding my phone, so I'm just propping it up a little bit. Lily, nope. My phone is gonna fall down. Yep. What did I say? She took the bottle. I think I need to buy a new tripod. It's not gonna work out. Else, I'm not gonna be able to create any videos. Lily broke. Like Lily broke the last tripod. Or was it me? If you have kids, you just have people to blame. You don't do anything wrong as a mom. I blame the kids, obviously. Jordana. I love the name. You know, live videos nowadays has so many options. Like, whoo, there are just so many. Wow. I Yeah. Hi Lily. How are you? Hi Lily B. Hi Lily B. Ooh, Lily. Last night. Last night. I think I'm gonna do a story time. Last night was one of the worst nights of the week. One of them. I'm not saying it was the worst. It was one of them because this week all the nights have been the worst. So normally I did a live right before we started our night routine, right? I was with you guys. I even ran away. So I ran away and then I immediately started our night routine. I bathed Lily, then I bathed while Emmanuel was eating. And then I I bathed Emmanuel after he was done, right? And then I ate. I thought maybe I will do a live while I was eating because I was eating something that was not usual. People know it, but I wanted to share with you guys the meal. I did. I ended up not going on the live last night. Then I was like, no, you know what? I'm gonna have an early night. My kids sleep very early. I think if I'm saying that they slept late, will be around 8. But they slept around 7:30, which was a relief, honestly, because it allows me time to do my things. So I go to sleep. I'm about to sleep. You know that slumber, that nice slumber that takes you slowly but surely. So I put my phone down. I'm like, yeah, I'm going out. I'm sleeping. The sleep start to consume me. And then I hear the lights were off because it's a bit hot. So I'm like, no, the lights will be off. If Lily start fussing, I'm just gonna put on the torch and then we'll see what's happening. Tell me why. Immediately after putting my phone down, and now the slumber is about to take me away. I'm like 85 kilometers, obviously. Ah, I hear wee, 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 wee. Even talking about it feels crazy. So on my head, all over my head. If you come from, if you're staying in South Africa or maybe Africa, I'm not sure. You know, just listen to what I'm saying. You know, you will know what I'm talking about. Tell me why mosquitoes are now busy buzzing by my head. They're eating my hands, and mind you, the blanket away from the bed. They are tucked inside the box storage. I'm like, we're not gonna use any blankets today. It's a bit hot, obviously, so no need for blankets. The mosquitoes are busy, and then Emmanuel starts, tossing and turning, and I'm guessing, yep, it's going down. It's gonna be a long night. We are dinner is served for dinner. Guys, if I told you, I might have slept around 1 a.m. yesterday, because I I was busy chasing mosquitoes all over the room. I was chasing the mosquitoes. At one point, I was just busy looking for them with the torch, and some will be hiding. I have my personal stove inside my room. It's the stove from my university days, so it's in my room. Even my little fridge from the university days, they are also in my room. So the mosquitoes have decided that is their hiding place. Yeah, guys, I was. The fortunate thing is that I have my skin will never show you. Like, I don't bruise easily. I don't know why. I don't even develop pimples, but it will be very itchy. I will see Lily tossing and turning, and then she'll start crying, and I'll just know the mosquito is having this girl for breakfast, and the dinner is saved. I don't know how many mosquitoes I killed. I don't know. I looked around the room. Just see. Look at my door. Like, I've put something on my door there to try. I put it. What are you doing? Anyways, so I thought maybe they're coming through the door. Turns out, I don't think they were coming through by the door. I started counting, and then I was like, I'm sleeping. I slept. I don't know what happened after that. I think I woke up around 5:30. Hi, Gerald. Hi. I woke up around 5, and I don't know. I don't know what happened to the mosquitoes. Like, I know they beat us. I just don't know what happened, because now it's morning. I don't see any mosquito. But come night time, they will come out, and they will come out in numbers. I don't like using Doom, that mosquito repellent, what. I am very sensitive to smells. So they cause my sinuses or whatever to like flare up. Yeah. And I'll be sneezing non-stop. So I don't know what to do. Because I can't be mosquito food for every day. Every day. You can never be me. I can't. I'm thinking of going back to sleep. Like, I'm gonna make the kids breakfast, and then I'm gonna sleep. No one is gonna blame me. I'm sleeping. After I'm done with the breakfast, I am going to sleep, and I haven't eaten yet. Hi, Gerald, with your too many highs. Huh? You can see I'm sleepy. Like, this week has been very hectic. Yesterday I didn't sleep. Day before yesterday I didn't sleep. Today, like, I also didn't sleep. Ow! Did you see that? Did you even brush your teeth though? Please, before you give us morning kisses, aye, go and brush your teeth. Brush your teeth when aye. Hi, did you brush your teeth? Nana, enja nana. Chimbala. Chimbala no janana. Hi. Chimbala nene janana. Niko janana. Pen nana. Nana. I think she's gonna do it. Nana. My girl is lazy. So she's literally so I'm asking her to give me the doll or her plushie, and then she is going to get the plushie. But now that she's near the plushie, she's asking the plushie to come to her. Yano Gianana. Yeah. I listen. No. Let's run. Okay, we'll come back late.